The rabbit is finally out of the hat. What critics long suspected is now unfolding in plain sight. Vehicles that once carried the ruling party's ZANU-PF insignia are reportedly being rebranded with image of President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the bold slogan Munhumutapa Dynasty. Zambi namashiko mnanyuko pangwana chinzi Dynasty bid. Mnangagwa faces new outcry as Munhumutapa branding sparks fear of family rule. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina mputu thambulanyira chiti. Observers say the message is unmistakable. A carefully crafted attempt to rape modern political power in the symbolism of Zimbabwe's historic Mutapa empire. But critics warn the branding risks, signaling something far more controversial. The normalization of family-centered rule in a nation founded as a republic. At the same time, lawmakers are pushing forward Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3 of 2026, a proposal opponents say could weaken constitutional safeguards and concentrate power further in the executive. For many Zimbabweans, the stakes go beyond party politics. The country fought a bitter liberation struggle to establish a democratic republic, not a hereditary system of leadership. Civil society groups, students, churches, and voices in the diaspora are now calling for vigilance, insisting that Zimbabwe's constitution must remain the ultimate safeguard against personal rule. Doma developments are kupangwa ino chikuwa chaonyaso kuda pachena muri Zimbabwe. ZANU-PF yanyaso showa ma true colors ayo pamchene zvigananda. Onezva zvava kuita chokwadi vakunyaso kuchidisplay pachena kuti aiwa isusu ndo plan yedu yekunyaso atena the dynasty. Ina comment section medu zafungira aim out kudiva msoro pechitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.